So growing up, we had a bakery and a laundry. But for the sake of the story, we'll talk about the bakery. So my mother was doing something that she couldn't put the order in. I feel like it was probably like she was giving birth or something, because I can't imagine why my father would be putting the order in, because as I mentioned in the previous video, English is not his first language. So he talk like this, like everybody else who father de buona l'Italia. Okay? So he orders 50 pounds of black pepper. But for him, he said 50 pounds of black pepper. Okay? It was among the things he had to order, because we used to make the prosciutto bread or lard bread, and he needed black pepper. So the guy says, sorry, but we don't have it. What do you mean? My wife, she get all the time. Okay, so it's a whole big catastrophe. They don't have it. So they have to put like a special order, whatever it is. Fast forward. The delivery comes. My mother's there. I'm sure she came right out of, she pulled her pants right up after giving birth and came straight to the bakery. I can guarantee that. So she's there, and I remember this. We were there all the time. And she opens up the first box and she goes, Mario, what is this? What am I going to do with this? So what do you mean? I ordered. It was 50 pounds of black paper. Because he said, hey, 50 pounds of black pepper. So the guy understood paper. My mother said, Mario, well, what'd you order? I said a black pepper. She's like, okay, it's not a pepper. It's pepper. Okay? He said, oh, excuse me, pepper. So now we had 50 pounds of black paper. So you better believe that all my artwork and my sister and my brother's artwork was on black paper for about maybe 7 years. All right. Thanks. Gotta go.